Hi, I'm ESL teacher Lisa. I wanted to do a quick video on how singing can help improve your English. Singing songs. Why? Well, you do have to remember that English is a stress time language. It is not a syllable time language. So what do I mean by that? A stress time language is a language where we do not spend the same amount of time on every sound or every syllable. And so you'll notice when you listen to a native English speaker, there are a lot of ups and downs. That intonation, rises and then goes down. And it's not a regular pattern. Unlike a syllable time language like Brazilian Portuguese, if you listen to it, it's very rhythmic, a regular rhythm, because they spend the same amount of time equally on all of the sounds or syllables. So a stress time language like English, you have to know when to rise and when to fall, and of course there's different reasons for doing that. So singing helps you to really listen to pronunciation and the flow or the rhythm of the English language. And when you sing songs, choose songs, of course, where it's a little bit slower pace, meaning the words are not sung very quickly, but a song that is easy to understand, where the singer is speaking clearly and where you have access to the lyrics. So maybe it's a favorite song of yours. Go ahead and find the lyric sheet. You can usually find that if it's a popular song on the internet and sing along. And that can really help you because it's fun and it slows down the language. Some of you may or may not know that I am learning one of the local languages here. So I'm currently in the Philippines and I'm learning the Ilocano language. Very difficult language, especially if you're coming from English. And I love singing in the Ilocano language. My pronunciation is pretty good. It's getting there. And I'm going to show you why singing is such an important tool. So would you like to know what the Ilocano language sounds like? Would you like to know what it looks like? Well, it looks like this. The words are very long in Ilocano. And some of the sounds, the combination of sounds, we don't have in English. So there's one particular sound, the NG sound. We have it in English, but we don't have it at the start of words in English. In Ilocano, it starts words. And so that could be troublesome. But because the words are so long, when I sing and I have a music sheet, the words are divided. And so it's so much easier, and I feel like I'm speaking the language, and I get the flow and rhythm and the intonation of the Ilocano language. So before I go any further, I want you to listen to the music of the Ilocano language. Every language has a different rhythm and intonation. So I'm just going to read a couple lines so you can hear what I mean when language has a different rhythm, especially when it's a language very different than your native language. So this is the Ilocano language which I'm learning. So I'm just going to read a couple lines here. Makipagkararagda kada kami, ket iparik na datayo, ang natalgod. So it's very different. It's not easy to learn this language, but that's what I mean by the music of the language. Before you start learning a language, listen, and really try to get the pronunciation and try to get the rhythm or the music of the language correct. So sing more. Sing more. Sing in your car where nobody's listening to you. It can really help train the mouth, lip, tongue, and throat for a better English sound. So if it's a little kiddie song, that's fine. If it's one of your favorite bands or artists, sing along. And get the lyric sheet so you understand the words that the singer is speaking and sing along. This can help you sound more native-like. So if you've done that, let me know in the comments, or if there's anything else that you'd like me to cover on this channel as I continue to grow it, I'll be happy to create a video on it. Thank you so much, and as usual, just check any additional resources in the description. I also have a Gumroad store where you can get a lot of the PDF worksheets for free with the videos that I produce. Most videos I produce have an accompanying PDF, and if it does, I'll let you know in the video, and it links to my Gumroad store. And I would say the majority of the things in that store that I have are for free. So I'm happy to help you as we go along. and help you improve your English language level. Thanks, everybody.